These kitchen gadgets are getting so smart in 2026. Some of them honestly feel illegal to own. But gadget number 11 made me question if humans even need cooking skills anymore. And the final gadget? It looks straight out of the future. Compact, convenient, and perfect for cozy meals, the Tiama 1QT. White mini ceramic stew cooker makes cooking simple and stress-free. With easy preset functions, a built-in timer, and a durable ceramic pot, it's ideal for soups, stews, oatmeal, and more. At just $49, this mini cooker delivers warm, delicious meals with minimal effort. Cook healthier and tastier meals with the Aosian 6-quart 2-tier steamer pot. Featuring a non-stick ceramic coating, spacious 2-tier design, and included ladle, it's perfect for steaming vegetables, dumplings, soups, and stews with ease. Oven and dishwasher safe for simple cooking and cleanup. All for just $50. Make fresh, nutritious meals for your baby with the Chef Handy Baby Food Maker. This 5-in-1 processor steams, blends, purees, reheats, and even self-cleans automatically. Featuring a stainless steel steam basket, BPA-free design, and 6 reusable pouches, it makes healthy homemade baby food quick, safe, and effortless. Perfect for busy parents. Quick, compact, and perfect for everyday meals. The Dezen Hot Pot Electric 2L Non-Stick Sauté Pan makes cooking easy anywhere. With adjustable power settings, rapid heating, and a non-stick design, it's ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, soup, and more. Perfect for college dorms or small spaces, this portable cooker delivers convenience for just $33. Egg cooker. Satisfaction guaranteed. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker is the original and most trusted egg cooker on the market for perfect eggs your way, every time we guarantee it. 6 egg capacity. Cook up to 6 eggs in soft, medium, or hard-boiled firmness while saving time and water. Eggs come out consistently perfect with shell easy to peel, and clean up is snap. Versatile. This is the perfect appliance for picky eaters, large families, or those who have busy schedules. Hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, individual omelets, and all within minutes of the push start button. It couldn't be easier. Bring restaurant-quality cooking home with the Chef Power 5 Cutie enameled cast iron Dutch oven. Perfect for bread baking, braising, roasting, soups, and stews, this durable cast iron pot delivers even heat and long-lasting performance. Featuring a beautiful gradient red finish and oven-safe design, it's a stylish kitchen essential. All for just $55. Cook big, delicious meals with ease using the 6-quart electric skillet hot pot. Featuring a non-stick PFOA-free ceramic coating, powerful 1600W heating, built-in timer, and 3 adjustable power settings, it's perfect for steak, eggs, ramen, soups, and more. Fast, versatile, and easy to clean, all for just $76. Make perfect homemade pizza with the aluminum metal pizza peel with rocker cutter. Featuring a durable 12-inch by 14-inch aluminum pizza peel, a sharp 14-inch rocker cutter, and a foldable wooden handle for easy storage. Perfect for indoor and outdoor ovens, this all-in-one pizza tool set helps you slide, serve, and slice like a pro. Grab this must-have pizza accessory for just $20. The automatic grape peeler machine is a smart kitchen tool designed for quick and easy peeling of small produce. Perfect for grapes, garlic, and cherry tomatoes, this cordless peeler removes skins smoothly with minimal effort. Its compact, user-friendly design makes it safe and simple to use for everyday cooking. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers convenient, hands-free operation without messy cleanup. Save time in the kitchen and enjoy perfectly peeled fruits and vegetables in seconds. Open cans safely and effortlessly with the Kuhn Ricken Auto Safety Lid Lifter can opener. Designed with smooth edge cutting technology and a built-in ring pull opener, this compact and stylish red can opener makes kitchen prep faster and safer. Easy to use, comfortable to grip, and perfect for every kitchen. All for just $29. Cook delicious family meals with the versatile Imusa 6.9 QT Bistro Serra ceramic Caldero Dutch oven. Featuring durable aluminum construction, a non-stick ceramic interior, and a clear glass lid. This 6.9-quart pot is perfect for rice, stews, soups, and traditional recipes. Stylish, easy to clean, and ideal for everyday cooking. All for just $25. Cook fast and easy with the Dezen Hot Pot Electric with Steamer. This upgraded 1.5-liter mini pot features a non-stick sauté pan and adjustable power for perfect heat control. Ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, oatmeal, and soup, it's compact, versatile, and perfect for quick meals anytime. Make opening jars, bottles, and cans effortless with the 2026 4-in-1 jar opener. Adjustable and made from durable stainless steel, it's perfect for seniors and anyone with arthritis. This versatile kitchen tool fits multiple sizes, giving you a safe, easy grip and saving time and effort in the kitchen. Cook delicious family-sized meals with the NewWave Medley XL Digital Electric Skillet. Featuring 2025 upgraded precision heating from 100 degrees to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, a spacious 7-quart capacity, PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating, and a glass lid for easy monitoring, this portable skillet is perfect for frying, grilling, and sautéing with ease. Powerful, versatile, and easy to clean, all for just $119. Electric Sandwich Maker. Hot sandwiches in minutes. Save your time in the morning and make healthy and perfectly toasted gourmet pressed sandwiches. You can also quickly cook other meals like omelets and French toast. Simple, efficient, made of heat-resistant stainless steel with a fast heating element that provides even toasting. The power indicator light will let you know when the unit is on, while the preheat light lets you know when it's ready to cook. Hassle-free cleaning. The non-stick coating ensures effortless food release without bruising the bread and easier cleanup. Simply wipe with a clean, damp cloth once they've cooled. Maximum safety. The Cool Touch locking handle allows heat to dissipate, preventing heating up and ensuring safe operation. Has anti-skid feet to prevent accidents. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the 4-in-1 French fry cutter. This manual hand-powered tool quickly cuts perfect fries, dices onions, slices apples, and chops vegetables with ease. Featuring 4 interchangeable blades, it delivers fast, uniform results every time. No electricity needed. Durable, easy to use, and easy to clean, it's the perfect kitchen gadget for saving time while preparing fresh meals at home. Food Dehydrator. With 6 stainless steel trays providing 6.5 square feet of drying space, this dehydrator is 27% larger than standard 7-tray models, allowing you to dry more food at once. Equipped with a 600W motor, rear-mounted drying fan, and upgraded airflow technology for faster, more even drying without manual intervention. Auto shutoff kicks in right when the timer ends. Overheat protection will activate if the dehydrator overheats. Crafted with food-grade stainless steel for durable and safe snack making. An ideal gift for those who enjoy making homemade dried foods like fruits, meats, vegetables, and pet treats and more. Perfect for various occasions like Christmas, anniversaries, weddings, birthdays, Valentine's Day, and Thanksgiving. Enjoy an authentic Japanese dining experience with the elegant ZNS ceramic sake set with warmer. This premium set includes a 12-ounce embossed ceramic sake bottle, 6 matching cups, a glass warmer pot, and a soft cotton towel for the perfect hot or cold sake experience. Stylish, functional, and gift-ready in a beautiful black finish. All for just $53. Make fruit prep effortless with the Schwobener 3.5-inch apple slicer. This professional-grade tool features 8 super-sharp stainless steel blades that slice and core apples quickly and evenly in one motion. The ergonomic design gives you a comfortable grip, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for snacks, baking, or meal prep, enjoy perfectly cut apples every time. Honey Dispenser. Add a touch of elegance to your table with the glass honey dispenser. A stunning blend of style and function. Featuring a chrome-plated ABS lid and stainless steel shaft, this no-drip design lets you pour honey or maple syrup with perfect control. The beautiful honeycomb glass body holds up to 8 ounces and sits gracefully on its matching stand, keeping your countertop clean and classy. Sweet, sleek, and effortless, the glass honey dispenser turns every drizzle into a golden moment of perfection. Enjoy cleaner, fresher drinking water with the water filter pitcher with 150-gallon filtration. Featuring long-lasting 150-gallon filtration, fast purification technology, and WQA-certified performance, it helps remove chlorine, metals, and impurities for better-tasting water every day. Easy to use, reliable, and budget-friendly, all for just $28. Create delicious crepes, pancakes, and more with the NutriChef electric crepe maker griddle. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, while adjustable temperature control gives you perfect results every time. With LED indicators and included wooden spatula and batter spreader, it's everything you need for quick, hassle-free cooking at home. Make perfect crepes anytime with the Moss Stone electric crepe maker. This compact 8-inch non-stick pan delivers even heating for smooth, delicious results every time. Just dip, cook, and flip with ease. No mess, no stress. With automatic temperature control and auto shutoff, it's safe, simple, and perfect for quick breakfasts or sweet treats at home. Treat yourself anytime with the Dash My Mug ice cream maker. The fun and easy way to make single servings of ice cream, gelato, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and more right at home. Featuring 2 bowls and a compact aqua design, it's simple to use, easy to clean, and perfect for quick homemade desserts. Enjoy delicious frozen treats for just $45. Make fresh prep quick and easy with the Cuisinart 3-quart salad spinner. Designed to wash, spin, and dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables in one simple tool, it removes excess water fast for crisp results. The smooth spinning action is easy to use and perfect for everyday meals. Compact yet efficient, it's a must-have kitchen essential for healthier, fresher cooking. Hand blender. No more lumpy chunks. Equipped with a strength 1100W full copper motor, providing for several times significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds to create velvety smooth puree results. Easy-to-use variable speed trigger design. With a pulse-activated sensor, just follow your intuition to control over the recipe and reduce splattering. Getting a switch from low to high speed quickly for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping with just one touch. Effortless cleanup, scratch-free. Features a unique food-grade nylon blade guard designed to minimize suction, preventing scratches on your pots and pans and keeping splashes at bay for a cleaner kitchen and hassle-free cleanup. Comfort at its best. Stylish and ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. A perfect gift for mom, grandparents, camper, or all the food lovers on housewarming parties, weddings, birthdays, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas. Dash Tasty Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven. Healthier food. Dash Tasty Crisp Air Fryer uses air crisp technology instead of oil to cook vegetables, frozen foods, and more, reducing added fat by 70 to 80%. It's a must-have mini kitchen appliance, and the Aqua Green Air Fryer looks great in any kitchen. Quick and easy, this countertop air fryer is compact, sized for any kitchen, and makes cooking healthy a breeze. Just load the air cooker nonstick basket, set the temp and timer, and within minutes you have crispy food. Personal air fryer. Garlic press rocker. Crush garlic effortlessly. Tired of getting garlic all over your hands and workstation? This garlic press rocker saves you time and effort by pressing garlic easily. It is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel that is built to last even the most pressing tasks. Mince garlic in seconds. Ergonomically constructed with an arc shape and non-slip soft rubber handle that provides maximum comfortability, especially when exerting force while doing the back-and-forth rocking motion. Its length of 4.3 inches and width of 2 inches is large enough to press garlic cloves continuously. Ideally sized. Its length of 4.3 inches and width of 3 inches is large enough to press garlic cloves continuously, making it possible to easily produce uniform-sized minced garlic in much less time. Perfect for handling any sort of rocking pressure when your recipes call for one or dozens of garlic cloves. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this Acacia cutting board meal prep system. Featuring built-in containers with lids for interchangeable graters and 2 plastic boards for meat, it keeps prep organized and mess-free. Juice grooves capture liquids, while the durable design makes chopping, grating, and storing food faster and cleaner. An all-in-one prep station for any kitchen. Bring restaurant-style grilling to your kitchen with the Zojirushi EA BDC 10TD Gourmet Sizzler Electric Griddle. Featuring a large cooking surface, adjustable temperature control, and durable non-stick design, this premium electric griddle is perfect for pancakes, burgers, barbecue, and family meals. Stylish in dark brown and easy to clean, it delivers delicious results every time, all for just $148. Chop, grind, and prep faster with the KOIOS 500-watt food processor. Featuring 2 8-cup bowls and dual bi-level blades, it delivers powerful, even chopping every time. Perfect for meat, nuts, onions, garlic, and baby food, this compact electric chopper saves time and effort, making everyday cooking simple, quick, and efficient. Measure with confidence using the Atexity Digital Kitchen Scale, perfect for weight loss, baking, and everyday cooking. It provides accurate readings in grams and ounces, making keto and meal prep simple and precise. The clear LCD display is easy to read, while the durable 304 stainless steel surface is sleek and easy to clean. Compact and reliable, this scale is a must-have for a healthier, more organized kitchen. Blend smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks in seconds with the powerful Topsy Personal Smoothie Blender. Featuring a 1000W motor, easy twist-on start and stop control, and a convenient 24 ounces to-go cup, this compact blender is perfect for busy mornings and healthy lifestyles. Fast, portable, and easy to clean, all for just $46. Upgrade your kitchen with the stylish electric automatic salt and pepper grinder set. This automatic grinder set features adjustable coarseness, one-touch operation, and a modern green design perfect for any home. Ideal for cooking lovers, new homeowners, or as a thoughtful gift for mom. All for just $27. Mix faster and easier with the Yamalo 9-speed digital hand mixer. Powered by a 400W DC motor, it handles everything from light whipping to heavy dough. With 9 speed settings and 5 stainless steel accessories, including beaters, dough hooks, and a whisk, you get total control. Compact, powerful, and stored neatly in a snap-on case, perfect for everyday baking. Grind your spices and herbs effortlessly with the Mamba electric grinder. This USB rechargeable, portable 1G metal grinder makes seasoning quick and easy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fresh herbs, spices, and even small seeds in the kitchen. Quick to use, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Fresh flavors anytime, anywhere. Upgrade your baking game with the wooden rolling pin 17.6-inch. Crafted from durable beech wood with smooth rotating ergonomic handles for effortless rolling. Perfect for pizza, pastries, bread, and cookies, this classic dough roller gives you even results every time. And at just $8, it's a must-have kitchen essential for every home baker.